Have some breaking inputs coming in at this point in time. A chilling testimony now emerges from Pragya Thakur, Sadhvi Pragya Thakur, former BJP MP, alleging brutal torture during the Hindu terror probe. In her explosive statement to the court that has been accessed by Times Now, she has mentioned that she was illegally detained for 13 days, physically assaulted by male officers, and was forced to name top RSS and BJP leaders. She was also accused the then ATS chief Parambir Singh of torturing her with a belt and claims a narco test was conducted without her consent or court order. The statement has, viewers, reignited this debate over the Hindu terror narrative, raising questions over the probe and the potential motivation behind it. Rucha is now joining us on the phone line for more on this. Rucha, take us through the key highlights. What exactly has Sadhvi Pragya mentioned in this particular note that has been accessed by Times Now?
Well, this is exclusively with us, and in the statement that she has recorded on 3rd June 2024, where Sadhvi Pragya Singh is talking about how she was tortured, and she has claimed she has put the blame on the senior officials of anti-terrorist squad of Maharashtra, then Chief Hemant Karkare, who is at the center of this controversy. Additionally, she has put some serious blames on Parambir Singh of torturing her, how Parambir Singh himself had beaten her up and had asked others to join in, and all this was happening when the ATS didn't even have any proof that Sadhvi Pragya Singh was related to the matter, because the vehicle which was the reason where the blast happened, where the bomb was planted, is what was mentioned in the report. It was yet to be confirmed whether it was the same vehicle that Sadhvi Pragya owned. There was no verification. The chase's number and engine number was missing, is what Sadhvi Pragya Singh is claiming. Additionally, the most important point in the statement she recorded is that Hemant Karkare was the person who had asked her whether there was any link between the then Chief Minister of Gujarat, Narendra Modi, and Yogi Adityanath. He had constantly asked her whether Narendra Modi or Yogi Adityanath were funding Sadhvi Pragya Singh was involvement in the entire matter, and Hemant Karkare constantly tortured her, questioning how
so she has categorically mentioned Hemant Karkare's name, as you're telling us. Rucha, request you to stay on with us. A small correction there, viewers. We spoke of Parambir Singh, who was not the ATS chief, but actually the additional commissioner of police at that point in time with the Maharashtra ATS that was investigating this matter. Let me go across to my colleague Swati as well, who is joining us live from the newsroom. Swati, over to you. Take us through the, important parts as far as this statement by Pragya Thakur is concerned.
Right, absolutely. Now, what we have here are the details of the torture that Sadhvi Pragya had to endure, that she had to go through. She's put this on record. This is what Sadhvi Pragya has told the court. And let me highlight para number 25 for you, in which she says, एक महिला इंस्पेक्टर सुवर्णा शिंदे, पुलिस ऑफिसर परमवीर सिंह, पुलिस ऑफिसर आभाड़, पुलिस ऑफिसर खानविलकर, पुलिस ऑफिसर सुखविंदर, अन्य जिनके नाम मुझे नहीं पता, वो लोग सर्कल बनाए हुए थे. She was in the center. These officers were surrounding her. Just one female officer. As per para 25, all others were male officers. She goes on to say, परमवीर सिंह ने बेल्टों से पीटना प्रारंभ किया. आभाड़, खानविलकर सहित अन्य लोग मिलकर पीटना शुरू किया. परमवीर सिंह ने सुवर्णा शिंदे इज अ फीमेल ऑफिसर, सुवर्णा शिंदे के हाथ में बेल्ट दिया और कहा तुम भी पीटो, और सुवर्णा शिंदे ने एक बेल्ट से मारा. सो नॉट जस्ट द फीमेल inspector, but the male officers were continuously beating her with belts. And then in para number 26, Sadhvi Pragya says, परमवीर सिंह ने शर्ट की आस्तीन ऊपर करते हुए कहा कि इसे तो मैं देखता हूँ. He rolled up the sleeves of his shirt and said, I will take care of her. And then everyone started beating Pragya Thakur with belts. Not just female inspector was present there, but male officers were torturing her. That's what she says in this statement that she has given to the court. And let me take you through this another page here, page number 15 of this document. And this is very important. This is where, names names like Mohan Bhagwat, Narendra Modi, Yogi Adityanath come up. Let me give you the context. Why do these names come up in this page? Point number 33. Sadhvi Pragya says, ATS chief ने मुझसे यही शब्द बार बार कहे और कहा किसने कहा ब्लास्ट करने को, कैसे गाड़ी लेकर के गई मालेगांव और कौन था साथ में। मैंने अपना उत्तर कह दिया कि मुझे नहीं पता कि ये सब क्या है, क्योंकि मुझे किसी ब्लास्ट के बारे में कोई जानकारी नहीं। So she answered all the questions with one response, Hina, and that response was, I know nothing about this blast. I have no information. मेरे पास कोई जानकारी नहीं है। Then in para 34, Sadhvi says, ATS चीफ ने कहा, जल्दी बोल किसने कहा ब्लास्ट करने को। क्या इंद्रेश कुमार ने कहा, सुदर्शन ने कहा, मोहन भागवत ने कहा, या यूपी का नेता योगी आदित्यनाथ ने कहा, या गुजरात का नरेंद्र मोदी ने कहा। किसने मालेगांव में बम ब्लास्ट करने का ऑर्डर दिया और किसने पैसे दिए। So the officers started taking names, Hina, of leaders like Yogi Adityanath, Narendra Modi and others, and Mohan Bhagwat, and kept on asking her, क्या इसने ऑर्डर दिया था ब्लास्ट करने का।
Right, these are sensational revelations there. Thank you very much, Swati, as well as Richa. Appreciate both of you for joining us and getting us all those details. Viewers, we have to quickly now move